The aroma of just brewed coffee, the soft flicker of candles, and the cozy embrace of a warm blanket, yes, those are my favorite things. Is this a luxurious resort or your house? Today, we're making your home a tranquil refuge filled with enchantment. But watch out, you might decide to stay home forever. We've all heard the adage home is where the heart is, but what if you could make your house a place that stirs your emotions each time you enter? You may make your friends and family gush about your cozy home in just a few easy steps. First things first, color me cozy. Your home's colors have a huge impact on how it looks. Use earthy colors like beige, brown, and soft greens to give your home a cozy, natural vibe. These make for the ultimate in coziness when combined with splashes of deep jewel tones. Let's move on to the topic of texturing. The key to creating a welcoming house is to layer several textures. So go crazy with velvety cushions, chunky knit blankets, and faux fur rugs. Just picture coming home from a long day at work and slipping your toes into a luxurious shag rug. Pure joy. Now let's use lighting to create the atmosphere. Table lamps, floor lamps, and fairy lights offer a soft alternative to harsh overhead lighting. This will produce a lovely ambience that is ideal for relaxing with a nice book or throwing a small dinner party. Let's entertain, while we're talking about dinner parties. Being prepared for visitors at a moment's notice is essential for creating a pleasant and inviting home. Stock up on the best wines, aromatic teas, and delectable snacks in your pantry. Don't forget to keep a supply of board games and icebreakers on hand as well. Bring in the outside, to finish. To bring a little bit of nature into your home, you don't need to have a green thumb. Fresh flowers, succulents, and potted plants will provide vitality and a sense of calm and peace to your home. There you have it, then. You're well on your way to creating a comfortable and welcoming home atmosphere with these straightforward recommendations, and you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Enjoy the changes and never forget that there is no place like home.